We have several ways to display objects in the 3D viewport, each of which has a unique advantages in our work process. We can find it in the upper right corner. Wireframe mode is the most basic display that shows the edges of the object. Solid mode is a lightweight display that shows the surface of objects with simple shading that emphasizes their volume. First and foremost, it provides a clear and responsive interface. Material preview mode shows us the real material behaviors in the scene with a basic world lighting preset. The render preview mode presents the final result with lighting, the world light, and the materials we have created. A quick way to access this is to press the Z key, which opens a pie menu interface and allows us to switch between modes easily and quickly. Each display mode has several options that we should know about. In Solid View, we can choose different shading modes to help us examine the surface of objects better. In Material Preview, we can find world light presets that will help us test the materials in our scene. Next to the 4 display modes is the X-ray button, which helps us to see through the objects. It is on by default in the wireframe mode, but can also be turned on in Solid View. It's an asset when it comes to selecting what is hidden behind something else. Now, I can select an object even if it's hidden behind another object. The overlay hides or shows the entire interface in the 3D viewport and leaves us with a clean view like the final render. We can also hide or show specific parts of the interface, such as the floor grid, axes, or other stuff. That's it. You know now everything that matters about the viewport shading. See you in the next lesson.